episode 1 of Chasing 100 Waterfalls, and we're off to find Angels Falls, which is 3 hours away from us here. So we have a bit of a road trip to Raven Beach Recreation Area, or Raven Beach State Park, something like that. And there we're gonna find a campsite, set up camp, then hike 1 mile to the falls. So it's not too bad of a hike. Timber really hates the heat, and I think I'm gonna have to roll this window down after this. All right. It's official, we got the site. It's ours for the night. All we have to do now is set up the tent. Did it. And now we're hot. It's really hot outside, especially after doing a whole bunch of work. I think we're gonna go for a swim. There's a swimming area nearby. You down for that?
Sure.
Guys, it's bad. So we were unloading the car, taking the stuff out so we could go swimming. And I realized I didn't bring the ice chest. We have no food except for s'mores. All we have are s'mores, so we don't have any food. I prepared wings. I'm so sad. Now we gotta ride into town and see what we can get as far as food. Maybe we'll have wings. I think we have the sauce with us at least. So we're gonna ride into town, see what food we can get, and then we're gonna swim. But we can't even look it up because our phones have no signal. I'm so mad. We're saved. We got signal, and there's a Walmart nearby, so we'll just have to rebuy everything that we got. Everything that we got this morning. We got food. I'm so happy. We stopped by 2 other grocery stores we passed by, and they were both closed. So I was getting a little worried, especially not having signal. I didn't want to drive too far out, but we are 11 minutes away from this Walmart, so it's not too bad. We've been driving for like 10 minutes. Not too bad, considering we're out in the middle of nowhere. Got it! And then chicken again. So change of plans, we're not going swimming. We've cooled off a little bit, so we're gonna do this hike, go check out the waterfalls, and then maybe we'll swim when we get back. We're gonna get ready to hike this thing and then hike it. There's something I forgot to tell you guys. There's actually 2 falls. Through the trees is the first waterfall of this series. Let's go check it out. Ready? You ready? I was ready. Ready for the rest of the hike now. Nice and cooled off. All right, nice and cooled off now. I'm pretty soaked now. I tried to get the stains that Timber left on my shirt off, but they're in there pretty good. Off to the second one. There's still another waterfall. This isn't Angel Falls. This is actually Panther Falls. And I didn't tell you guys that, just so there'd be a little bit of a surprise. But now we have, I think, another quarter mile until we get to Angel Falls. And I don't really know what to expect. There's so many bridges here. Bridges built by people, some by fallen trees, and even some by rocks. This one's super steep and tiring. I hear the waterfall. It's definitely close. And there is the lookout. Wow, it really goes up there. Yeah. That one's huge. It's huge. Too bad we can't like swim in it or anything. So I think I heard this one's 60 feet tall, but honestly that last one was way more impressive. Timber, what do you think? This one? This one or the last one? This one? The last one. Oh yeah, the last one. Me too. Me too, buddy. Either way, number 32. No, number 31. 2 in 1 day. Alright, that was Panther Falls down and Angel Falls down. And now we're starving after a 1 mile hike to these falls. We're gonna hike back now. Ready? Hungry? He's so ready. He's already on the trail. Alright, dinner is served. Ah, I just got some on me. It's still boiling. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's episode. We're gonna enjoy these wings. It was a successful hunt for waterfalls. We got 2 down, Panther Falls and Angel Falls. So now we're at 31 out of 100 waterfalls to find. So we got this map here at the place where we are camping, out looking for food now because I forgot it, but we're out looking for a grocery store of some kind, and we found this. A second waterfall. Maybe we'll check that out tomorrow.